Imagine a toy airplane zooming through the sky, soaring above with nobody inside. How can it move all around if there's no one steering it? Well, drones work in a somewhat curious, magical way, using a special remote control. Drones are flying machines that people use for fun, taking pictures, or even helping out with important jobs like delivering packages. The fascinating part about drones is that the pilot doesn't sit inside. Instead, they stand on the ground, often looking up at the sky, and controlling the drone using a device much like a video game controller. Now, let me introduce the secret behind drone flights: remote control technology. Imagine having a magical wand that you wave to make things happen. The remote control works kind of like that. By pressing different buttons or moving sticks on the controller, it sends signals through the air to the drone, telling it what to do. These signals are like invisible messengers. They travel through the air as radio waves with amazing speed, faster than a blink. These radio waves are what connect the drone to its pilot's commands. So, let's break it down into steps. Step 1. The pilot holds a remote control on the ground, ready to fly the drone. Step 2. When they press a button or push a stick, the controller sends a message through the air. Imagine these messages are like tiny magical letters zipping through the sky. Step 3. The drone receives the message instantly, thanks to swift radio waves. Step 4. Following the command, the drone moves. Either it goes up, down, left, or right, spins, or even zooms upwards to fly higher. Step 5. And just like that, the drone is flying where the pilot wants, all without a person on board. But how does it all happen so fast, you might wonder? This is where the genius of technology shines.